Hi, I'm Celte and I'm here with PMC Supplies, and today I'm going to be showing you a little bit about this ring stretcher and reducer. This is a pretty big piece of equipment. This is one that gets mounted to a table. It is great when you're ready to take that next step in your jewelry making and you need something a little more beefy. When you get your ring stretcher and reducer from PMCSupplies.com, you're also going to get this little handy instruction piece of paper, and it shows you the different pieces of it. So we have this long piece here, it's called the spline, and then the handle, it's handle-like, and then the reducing plate down here, and the plunger, which is this bad boy. As you move the handle, the plunger goes up and down. And this reducing plate also comes off. So I bet you can guess from the name, it is a ring stretcher and reducer. It is going to help you stretch and reduce rings up to one size. So I have a ring right here. I do. And I have my trusty mandrel right here. This is great because it's gonna help you to determine the size that your ring already is. Even though there are numbers on the spline on your stretcher and reducer, you wanna use those as a general guide, but you always want to have your mandrel handy to give you a more accurate reading. So just slide your ring down the mandrel, and this is an 8. So in order to stretch the ring, which I do want to show you first, you're gonna slide the ring on top of the spline, and I'm gonna be holding this sturdy because it isn't mounted to our table. When you get this and you are setting it up on your home workbench, you want to drill this sucker right to your workbench so it doesn't wiggle around on you. So we're gonna move the handle back maybe 2 or 3 times, and then you're gonna get that ring off of the spline to check the size. You want to bring your size up slowly over time, and you don't wanna just yank on it and then, risk the ring coming apart or damaging it. So this will loosen up and the ring will slide right off. Slide the ring back on, and it looks like slightly bigger than an 8, very slightly. Because this has only moved a little bit, I want to stretch it more. Put it back on the spline, and again, pulling that handle toward me. So as I'm pulling the handle, these splines, these vertical lines that you'll see are expanding out. So that is what is stretching the ring, but it just does it so slightly over time. Check that again. Hey, a little bigger. I'm gonna keep going. So we'll do this one more time and we'll see how far we get. Bring it all the way back. And you can also turn it over. This is to compensate for the tapered spline. Yeah. Much bigger. Now we're at an 8.5. We were at an 8 before. Now, let's reduce it. So your reducing plate down here has all these holes. 2 sides, you can flip this over. So you want it to be kind of a tight fit. Okay, that one kind of fits in there nicely. We're looking for it to just almost fit, so that way as we pull the plunger down, it's gonna smush the ring into that little hole. So get that all lined up. You can see that it's just slightly above that plate. Unlike other ring stretchers, this has the ability to reduce. So if you've been a little overzealous with the stretching, you need to bring it back down a little bit, this is going to help. So turn the handle the other way, smush it a little, and then turn it over inside of the same hole that you were just working in, because you want to do it on both sides, just make everything even. And just slowly work it down until it sits more evenly in that hole. I've reduced it a little bit, I think. So let's take out the mandrel again. Hey, a little smaller. So as you can see, you will expand the ring, you will reduce it, you just have to keep working, and remember to only use softer metals. You don't want to use things like titanium or jewelry that has little stones on it because they may pop off and go everywhere. And it may be necessary after you've stretched or reduced it to kind of buff out some scratches or polish it up, and that's normal, so don't get too worried about that. When the ring stretcher / reducer arrives, it is going to have some oil on it. That is on purpose. It is to make sure that all of the steel parts don't rust. So when you are taking care of your tools at home, make sure before you pack them away and you're done with your project for the day, you are oiling it up to make sure that they last a really long time. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check us out at pmcsupplies.com, where we always offer free shipping on all of our products. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, check us out on Facebook, find us on Instagram, send us a smoke signal, snail mail, anything. And if you want to see more videos, leave comments. Tell us what you're looking for, how-tos or different product descriptions. We want to hear from you. It's going to help us give you the products that you need. Oh, hey, what's up? Don't forget to subscribe. And you can check out this video or this video.